Good day everybody. Today we got this SONATA Y20 2010 silver color. Let's take a look at this car and review it for you. Start with a 360 view. We can see here there is a fraction that's broken. Here we go, let's check the doors as well.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es más 8210-7353-2398.
Alright, here I open the engine here. Let's take a look at it. No smoke, no oil. That's it. Here, gonna review inside the car right now. Let's start here by starting the engine at this button. It's a button car, not a key. Okay. Lights are on, engine is on, lights are gone as you can see. Everything looks good so far. Alright, let's try to accelerate and listen to the engine. Okay, one more time. Alright, let's show you from the bottom here. Okay, brakes are also working very good. Alright, let's review here Windows control. Alright, this one works perfectly. Try the other side. Same here as well. This side too. Okay, let's try this side. All the sides are working just fine. Check it out, seats are in a good condition. Alright, let's check this side as well. The seat is also clean. Everything is clean. And now let's go check the radio here. The screen's a bit broken, but it's fine, of course.
킥보드 잘 타네. 멈춰서 있는데 주차하는데.
Alright, so the radio and speakers work just fine. Everything looks good. Let's try the AC here. Alright, AC is on. Fans are on now. It's coming, it's blowing now. It's blowing, but it's not as cold as it should be. Or maybe it takes time, I'm not sure. But so far, it's just kinda normal temperature air. It's not giving me a very cold air, AC air. So it's working, but it might be taking some time to cool the air down. It's starting to cool down a little bit, but still not as cold as it should be. Got controls here for the sound and the call. Alright, and we got a screen here. The touch. Looks like it's not touch. Anyway, button reverse. And let's see here. Should be having a camera camera, but it's kind of slow. Wait a little bit. Yeah, here we go. The rear camera is on. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's showing us back. Rear camera is working. When it's on reverse. Let me change it, goes back again. Turns off. What else? We got these for seat heat control, seat temperature, and that should be everything to review in this car. Finishing the review of this Sonata 2010. As you've seen in the video, the car is in a good condition. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es USYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.